Okay, so I'm about to show you a knife that I got in one of the bottle boxes, but I want to remind you to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Okay, so I wanted to give you a closer look at this knife right here. This is something that I got in a subscription box a while ago. This is the Revolt Reflex folding knife. Has VG10 steel, which is really, really good. And this is really an interesting knife. I'm going to give you a closer look here. I'm going to jump into a different camera so you can definitely see it. All right, so let's start up over here with securing the knife and leave it here closed. So kind of gives you a look right there. I kind of like the open style. You kind of see the whole blade and you can see it right there, right? The colors are great. I do like this combination of colors, kind of like a bronze or something like that. And again, it's a pretty decent looking color. Now, this is supposed to be a frame lock, but it's a different type of frame lock. I'm not used to something like this. Again, it's going to be a company name, Revolt knife. It's going to have VG10 steel. But when you open it up, I kind of want you guys to see how it goes. As you open this up, you guys see the frame here moving, right? And as it comes down, the frame continues to move right here. And then this section right here kind of locks in place. So you push down and it kind of locks right there. And I'm going to tell you, it feels very, very strong. So that's kind of a look of the blade right there. Like I said, BG10, and it kind of comes down there. And you guys can see how it kind of slim in the back right here. The ergos are okay. It feels a little bit slippery in my opinion. But again, it feels okay, I guess, in a way too. Kind of see it right there. That's kind of how it feels right there. Obviously, it has some thumbs, stubs right here as well. You have your click right here. It looks like it's only either this way right here, or you can actually switch it to this side right there. It looks like you could go both way. Obviously, tip is going to be up, and there is the securing style right there. So the way you kind of close it up, you kind of lift back here, and as you can see when I lift back there, kind of like the blade kind of give up, and then you could kind of like rotate it. I want you to rotate it here so you can see it, and it close right there, right? So again, really, really interesting. I want you to see this too. Like the bottom part right here is going to be facing down in your pocket, so the top part is going to be this. So you're going to have a lot more to grab right there. But again, I open it up, and as I open it up, it's a different setup. Usually, I'm not used to something like this, and you kind of lock it right there. Really close look right here so you guys can see it. Another look right here on this side. So as you take a closer look right here, I'm going to talk about some of the specs that it has. The blade is going to be about 3.2 inches. The entire overall knife is going to be about 7.8 inches. So again, it's a pretty decent size knife. When you close it, it's going to be about 4.5 inches, and it's going to weigh about 3.7 ounces. The blade, like I said, is going to be VJ10. It doesn't have any serrations or anything. Kind of want to give you a closer look up here in the top. I did not did that, so here's a look in the top right there. It's like a continuing setup. Okay, let's do some cutting right here. Not bad. Wow. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. That knife is sharp. A little bit more on this side. There you go. There we go. Wow. This thing is sharp. The Revolt Reflex folding knife. And again, a pretty cool knife. Something really different. Something that if you're looking for something like this, it's just a different style of knife. All right, guys, there you have it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.